In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain name on WP Engine for the year 2025. This is a simple but crucial process if you're looking to transition your website to a new identity or perhaps optimize your brand online. We'll walk through each step clearly, ensuring you feel confident making this change on your WP Engine account. Let's start by logging into your WP Engine dashboard. Open your preferred web browser, go to the WP Engine website, and log into your account with your credentials. It's important to make sure you're in the right account if you manage multiple sites or accounts. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your account dashboard, which is your control center for all activities. Next, you'll need to select the specific site environment you wish to update. Within the dashboard, locate the environment associated with the domain you're planning to change. WP Engine typically organizes these by site names or project titles, making it straightforward to identify the site you're aiming to update. Selecting the correct environment is crucial to ensure the domain change affects the desired site. After selecting your site environment, navigate to the Domains section and select the option to add or manage your domains. The Domains tab is where you handle all web addresses tied to your site. Here, you can see existing domains or add new ones. Click on the Add Domain button to initiate the process of implementing your new domain name. Now type your new domain name into the field provided. Be precise with your input to prevent misspellings or incorrect domain entries, as even small errors can lead to accessibility issues for your site. Double check the spelling and domain extension before proceeding to the next step. With the new domain added, you'll want to set it as your primary domain. This can be done by locating the new domain name in the domain list and clicking the Make Primary button. This action signifies to both your site infrastructure and users visiting your site that this is now your main web address. The next essential step involves updating your DNS records. DNS records are held with your domain registrar, the place where you purchased your domain. You'll need to point these records to WP Engine, typically by updating the A record or C name. This step ensures that when someone enters your new domain in their browser, it takes them to the correct location, your site hosted on WP Engine. Your registrar will have a portal where you can log in and make these edits. Finally, there is a short waiting game while your DNS changes propagate. DNS propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours to fully take effect globally. During this time, your site might not be immediately accessible via the new domain, but rest assured, once the DNS update is recognized, your site will be available under your new domain name. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to changing your domain name on WP Engine. If at any point you encounter any difficulties, be sure to consult WP Engine support resources or reach out to their customer service team for additional guidance.